When we say clean ingredients, we really mean it. We stand behind the ingredients that are in our products. He's a hater. You're a hater. Okay. Thanks for joining us.
Owners of Signature Sudz, Rob and Jessica Tannen. Go ahead and tell us.
I'm Rob.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Yes, he's Rob. I'm Jessica. What is Signature Sudz?
We are an all-natural cleaning company. We make natural products for your home and for your body, right?
Yeah, we want to be clear. We don't clean your house. You have to do that. We just give you the materials and the products to do so.
So what made you start making your own cleaners? Like, why?
I had a light bulb moment. It came to me one day. Signature Sudz began during one of the most uncertain times in our lives. It was 2020 and we were in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. We were actually running a laundry service at the time. So we needed laundry detergent, we needed bleach. And if you remember, the store shelves were completely empty. You couldn't find bleach anywhere. And we really had to figure out a way to keep our business afloat. And so we developed our laundry soap using natural ingredients that were non-toxic and eczema friendly because we have kids with eczema. So from there, we created pretty much everything for your laundry room. Our scent booster, we made a natural bleach, and even a stain fighter. And then we tackled other household cleaners and body care. So our all-purpose cleaner, our hand soaps, and our body soaps. And before we knew it, we had created a natural soap brand from scratch, literally. We just wanted to kind of really lean into the sustainable, natural quality of it. Because once you go down that rabbit hole of like researching the cleaning industry, it gets very dark very quickly.
Harmful ingredients are common in store-bought cleaners that you wanted to like get away from.
As most people know, I was a butcher for 17 years. So, we had these garbage trucks that would come pick up the meat and the bone and the fat that we didn't use. They would take that back to the facility, grind that down, process it, and put that back into your cleaning products, including your makeups and things like that. So that's the biggest one for me, but there's a whole lot more.
We actually met a guy that worked at like one of the big distribution places, and he has to wear like full hazmat gear, like
we don't
head to toe hazmat gear, masks, the whole nine. And when you think about that, you're like, if you have to wear that to make it, what is in it that we don't know? So those are the ingredients, the animal fat are things that we do know. We know that there's ingredients consistent with like rat poison. We know that some brands have been banned in certain states in the country. When it's that bad to where you're getting banned or you have to wear hazmat suit, we were like, yeah, we don't want to do that. We just wanted to stick with natural ingredients that we could pronounce.
And things that are plant-based.
Do we need to wear gloves, like safety-wise?
I mean, if you like, you can. But
he doesn't wear gloves.
I don't wear gloves.
The joke in our house is that his hands, he will touch like the burning grease from the pan. That's this guy, right? So when he's making products, you literally can go right into it with your bare hand and touch it. You do always want to be careful based on your own allergies, because again, everything that's natural is not necessarily safe. Remember, poison ivy is natural.
That happened to me a couple of weeks ago with the poison ivy.
Yeah, he still has the battle wounds from that. So we always say, just be careful, know your body, know your allergies and the allergies of people in your house.
Keeping it away from our kids in general. Even though it's not harmful, you don't want them drinking any of this stuff or playing in it. There's nothing going to harm your animal, but you want to be careful with the scent, right?
Yes, so the base ingredients that we make everything with are going to be safe for pets and children, but specifically with dogs, they do have a more sensitive nose. You want to be careful with like eucalyptus, any of the citrus family. Just want to make sure you do your research and choose essential oils that are safe for your particular furry friend.
Just in a cool place. Nowhere special, just where you would store your other cleaners.
Room temperature. We don't use any preservatives in them, so you typically get about a year and a half shelf life.
Yeah. Is the kit the only way we can get your products?
No, actually, you can actually shop our website for a full list of our products. Also, we're in a few retail spots here in Houston, and we plan to expand that as well, right?
If you're in the Houston area, you can find our products at Mala Market, Fresh House, Central City Co-op, or catch us at our weekly farmers markets. Not in Houston? We got you. We ship nationwide. All orders over $35 ship for free.
the kit itself. This is just our effort to really break it down and show what goes into each product.
So if you're the friend who's always trying to get your friends and family to switch to non-toxic cleaners, our DIY kits are perfect for you. Grab your friends, grab your kits, and get to creating your own custom cleaners. Even if you have a kid who loves science, these make a cool science experiment. The possibilities are endless.
It really matters what you use at home, and it matters when you can make it yourself. So talk about essential oils. Essential oils are my favorite part of our product. And obviously they provide scent and they make your house smell great, but there are a lot of cool benefits to essential oils that I want to share with y'all today. So let's jump into it.
Let's ditch the toxic stuff, save our money, and fight back. I'm going to show you how to start switching out your cleaners one recipe at a time. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Let's go.